Okay, these are from videos from last couple weeks. I kind of cut them down to let you see, just doing a voiceover. See, that guy got real close to me. You can look at the date, 3/31. And here's this tractor trailer I showed before, passing me in the end of a turn zone, maybe 8 feet ahead of me. I showed that before. That was in Dallas. This is Charlotte. Airtron right there, that's the ones who installed my air conditioning in my house. And watch this coming up. This is getting on 485 in Charlotte. This dude, I thought for sure hit me. Nope, get out of my way. I'm bigger than you, right? Pickup truck. GMC for you. Like I said, you can look it down at the lower bottom. That says, what, 4.3, I think. And I think this is 485 around Charlotte. Old Dominion said, nope, I'm coming out. I don't care. You can slow down. You got a bunch of traffic, but slow down. I'm more important than you. That's Old Dominion. See that cop sitting right there? I think this is Pennsylvania, maybe. I'm not sure. That cop was not even a quarter, half a mile. Watch what happens. This is 4/3/2025 at 7:43 p.m. Get out of my way! Exit! Not even a mile from a cop. Yeah, good job. And this was in Nebraska, 4/11. Yeah, this guy ended up passing me twice, and both times real close. This is I-80 West in Nebraska. Yeah, good job there, dude. Good job. I'm only doing 70 miles an hour. Yeah. I showed this before. This is North Platte, Nebraska. Getting off 412, I had to deliver Walmart a mile up the street. And that guy was still there 3 hours later, but the tow truck and the cops were gone. But he was still in the drink. That's North Platte, Nebraska, 4/12/2025 at 2. Well, actually 1:30 in the morning because my camera set it Eastern. This is, I think, Nashville. I'm more important than you. Get out of my way. We'll pass you on the shoulder and have a great day, right? Yeah, this is Nashville, Monday, I believe. People keep going up and watch this box truck. Pass somebody in the shoulder, cut this truck off, and watch what he does to a fuel tanker. Cuts him off too. And there's a car. Boop, get out of my way. I control you. Exit. Don't be these fools. Watch this container. This is I-35 in Kansas. Get out of my way. My exit. I'm only doing 70 in the right lane. Up, it's my exit. Get out of my way. Good job, container. Had her get in front of me to take the exit. Oh, get out of my way. My exit. As you can see, right lane, left lane ends. Watch this. Also says signs, no passing. And boop, get out of my way. I'm just trying to clean up all these videos off my phone so I have more space. Get out of my way! And that's a damn Honda. That's Oklahoma City. This truck, whoa, get out of my way. I don't care, you're passing somebody. And I'm doing 70. Get out of my way. All right, well, I saved this clip. I gotta look. Oh, yeah, watch his truck in front of me. He's all over the road, that's right. That drop deck was all kind of worried. I was worried because I passed him too. And his dude is all over the load. And it's what? 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning, depends on where I'm at. He's still all over the road. If you notice, I'm running the yellow line to get away from him. And this was the FedEx from this morning. I'm doing 70, 71. He keeps speeding up and slowing down. This is the road rage from this morning. 5:30 in the morning, going around Nashville again. See, I'm doing 69, 70. He speeds up, slows down. Speeds up, slows down. This pickup truck that, like Jake me, was all kind of butthurt because I was in the left lane. But if you notice, I'm doing 69. He's pulling up. He fought me like this for probably 5 miles, if not longer. But when I was behind him, he was wanting to do 64. I'm not doing 64 when I can do 70. Doing 69, so he's pulling a little ahead. Doing 70. You can see the guy behind me flashing his lights, if you look hard enough. And he's sticking his nose. If you look in my left spot mirror, he's all over the road behind me. Going down the hill, so I'm 71, 73, 71. And when I got in front of this FedEx, he slowed back down to 62. Don't be a fool like that. But it is full moon, I guess, so people act like an idiot. I move over, and here comes this guy before I'm even in the lane. He's come flying up. He gets beside me, he's flipping me off, he's gassing on it. And I knew he was going to be an idiot. See there, he's gassed on it. I knew he was going to brake check me, that's why I moved over and flashed him. I knew what he was going to do. And I dropped all the way down to like 55, 60, 55 miles an hour, because trying to avoid him. He's a freaking idiot. Don't be an idiot like this. If you want to get mad, get to the man. Alright, this is I-40 in Tennessee. Watch this truck here. I'm doing 70 miles an hour. He's passing me in the left lane. I'm doing 70. It's an old interstate distributor trailer, because I know, because it's got the green doors. I used to drive for him. And he cuts me off. And watch what happens. Slows down. Like I said, I'm doing 69, 70 miles an hour. It's, I believe, it was I-40 in Tennessee today. May 19th. Alright, he turns his turn signal on. So I hop in the left lane because he's slowing down. If you're going to pass somebody, don't slow down. Where I have to hop in the left lane to avoid you. So here's that car goes down. Well, I dropped down to 60. What? I can't see it. Wish I could change the color of that ticker at the bottom. Anytime it's good is at night. And if you notice, I get right up to him, and then he speeds back up again. And this is I-40 outside of Knoxville, headed east. Right before the hill, before Knoxville, Tennessee. Says I'm doing 74 miles an hour right now. He's slow, Here I'm catching him again. This is the hill. This is where I slow down, and he gets to pull away, so I don't get to see him the rest of the day. Thank God. Yeah, but don't pull in front of somebody and slow down when I have to hop in the left lane. I don't want to do your speed. If you want to do 65, do 65. And here goes a Peterbilt car hauler. Get out of my way! That's like 20 feet. He did that about 3 times today on I-81 in Tennessee. 4/19/2025 at, I can't read what time it's at, 11:15 in the afternoon. And this is where the future Buc-ee's is going to be on I-81 in Virginia. This truck is passing me. I'm doing 70. Get out of our way! I'm coming through! Gotta go.